everyone, welcome back to the Auto Show. Today luxury travel, this is the 2025 Lincoln Motorhome, where comfort meets cutting-edge innovation on four wheels. Whether you're chasing horizons or parked under starlit skies, this isn't just a motorhome, it's a mobile sanctuary. The design is unmistakably Lincoln, refined, aerodynamic, and bold. Chrome accents, adaptive LED lighting, and a panoramic windshield create a striking presence on the road. The high-strength aluminum frame keeps it surprisingly agile for its size. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cabin crafted with Lincoln's signature quiet luxury. Real wood inlays, hand-stitched leather, and an open concept layout blur the line between home and highway. At 34 feet long, it offers slide-out living spaces, expanding your interior with the push of a button. And yes, there's a full chef's kitchen, spa-inspired bathroom, and even a queen-size adjustable bed with massage settings. Under the hood, it's powered by a 3.5L twin-turbo V6 hybrid engine, delivering 400 horsepower and impressive torque for smooth uphill climbs and overtakes. Paired with Lincoln's adaptive air suspension, the ride is silky, even on rough terrain. Technology is front and center. A 15-inch infotainment display supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and full smart home integration, meaning you can control lights, temperature, and even check your fridge inventory from your phone. On the safety front, the 2025 Lincoln Motorhome includes Lincoln Co. Pilot 362.0, Think Lane Centering, 360-degree cameras, adaptive cruise control, and auto emergency braking. Peace of mind. Standard. With an onboard solar array, lithium-ion battery pack, and optional all-wheel drive, this motorhome is just as ready for off-grid adventures as it is for five-star RV parks. So, whether you're a digital nomad or a weekend explorer, the 2025 Lincoln Motorhome doesn't just take you places, it redefines how you get there.